Chapel Hill is the mother of all college towns,
which translates to a solid party scene starting on Franklin Street.
It has something for everyone. I mean, there's a couple of clubs, there's more like sophisticated, esoteric wine bars. You get a little sampling of pretty much whatever you want.
Franklin is famous for decadent Halloweens, loud music at the Cave, and Cat's Cradle, 2 a.m. pitas, and rowdy post-game parties.
And remember, UNC has a borderline scary love of sports and a ton of school spirit.
If you go here, you're going to be a fan regardless. You're going to catch the fever, Carolina fever.
They say everybody here is painted blue. I think it's absolutely true. I think almost everybody is wild about it.
Why not get wild when you can boast alumni like Michael Jordan and Lawrence Taylor?
And when you're not bragging about your all-star classmates, you may want to check out the Greek scene.
Greek life is really big on campus, and I know a lot of people who have joined up with fraternities or sororities to make friends.
It's not one of the schools where everyone goes Greek, like you go Greek or you die, but it's definitely a big aspect of campus.
Besides Greek life, UNC's student clubs are a popular way to meet people.
There are over 500 organizations and clubs on campus. If you like it, there's a club for it.